Alright, hopefully this video helps you figure out how to finish up your calculations. And this column is where most of y'all are at right now. Notice the coding, you're doing the if statements. If your salary B4, that's B4 right there, is greater than the maximum, then you do the maximum amount, which is 9,225 times 10%. Notice that for each one, you're finding out how much money is in each bracket. So in this example here, for the second bracket, if you make more than 37,450, you take 37,450 and subtract 9,226 or 9,225, either one, and you get 28,225. That's only if you make more than that. That's the true statement here, and multiply that by 50%. If you don't make more than 37,000, okay, you're going to take your salary, which could be like 30,000, and subtract the minimum because you've already been taxed on that amount, and that gets taxed. So as you go through each one of these brackets and do the same exact thing, okay, you'll notice you get kind of the similar answers. Okay, you'll get the same type of calculation that you got before. All right, if you scroll on the bottom, you'll notice that your answer will be very close to what mine is because I'm making sure it's 225 as a salary, kind of similar to yours. Mine might be off a little bit different than yours because you guys all did the minimums here. I always did the maximum for the previous one, but it's off by like a couple bucks. It's not a big deal. So once you finish this and you have all your codes, okay, especially your totals, make sure you sum up each total, okay, and get your take home, you're probably going to notice a problem. When you go and put in 0, okay, you'll have negatives in here. Well, we don't pay negative taxes. So what we want to do is we're going to create another column, which I created over here already and done already. So I want to show you how it works. Okay, so because this is negative, okay, and we don't want negative taxes, we're going to do another if statement. And this statement looks like this. If that cell C8 is below 0, so if it's below, which it is, I want it to change to a 0, hence I put a 0 in there. If it's not, your false statement right here is C8, meaning keep it the same. You're going to do that for each one of these cells. So notice each one is the same thing. C7, C8, C9, and so on. You do it for the same thing for all of these because you don't want any negatives. You should be able to come in here and change your salary, 100,000. Do it, does it automatically. You should be able to do 200,000. Should be able to do $5 million. And it should all automatically compute, and you should never see any negatives or false statements. If you see a negative or a false statement in the last thing, then you did something wrong. Okay, notice that the sum's still the same, sum's still the same, this one is the same, and so on. Okay, and then your final one's going to be something like that, where you take your salary minus that. All of it should compute automatically. Hopefully that helps.